Family greetings, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is well during this pandemic. In this particular video, I just want to update the family about the search for a coronavirus vaccine. Okay, many of our fears have been realized when we recognize the fact that a coronavirus vaccine seems to be an inevitability for our global society. The choice has been made at the highest levels in all of our countries, and it appears that people are unwilling to search for any other herbal remedies or any other types of treatments that can mitigate this illness. Okay, apparently the common cold has also vanished. You know, there used to be a thing called the common cold and the regular flu, but apparently there are no more statistics being gathered on the common cold. We are only focusing on the coronavirus. Okay, and in this particular video, the FDA is now weighing in on the search for coronavirus vaccine, and they are now saying that they will require at least 2 months of follow-up data prior to them sanctioning this vaccine. All right. Now, in my opinion, 2 months is perhaps not long enough because people have pre-existing conditions, people have different physiologies, and it could be that the side effect may occur 3 months later, 6 months later, or maybe even a year later. Alright, some people may not even be aware of the side effect until an event like childbirth. Alright, when they might find that there may be some complications related to the vaccine. Okay, so I would say, although it's important to have some benchmarks, I think 2 months is a good start, but I think they need to consider extending that time to ensure that it is not actually harmful in the end result. Okay. Also, the Trump administration has been pushing for an emergency order which will allow them to put it into immediate use and immediate effect prior to the election. Okay, now this is a very dangerous gamble that they are playing with hundreds of millions of lives, and you know, we need to really be concerned if this is the right course of action. All right, countries in the Caribbean, countries like the Bahamas and Jamaica, Trinidad, Guyana, we all need to be wary of any type of emergency use vaccine being put in place. Okay, because our leaders characteristically tend to follow the directive of America. Okay, and if you have a vaccine that is not safe being disseminated, our leaders will surely sign up and put them into use in our public health systems. Okay, but ultimately, if you can recall, the AstraZeneca vaccine actually caused there to be a spinal inflammation in the test subjects, and people reported having neurological disorders. Alright, so we need to really be careful about putting a vaccine into immediate use without verifying that it is actually safe for the general public. Okay, but the FDA is now putting in place stricter protocols, and due to this 2-month data collection, this will ensure that no vaccine is actually put in place prior to the US elections. Okay, so at least people have an extension on actually having this vaccine forced onto them. Alright, now family, let me know your thoughts in the comments below about all of these dynamics. One love.